Guess what today is? Road King Vicla giveaway bike. We're gonna announce the winner here in a couple minutes. If you're new to this channel, do me a favor, guys, hit that subscribe button. Start a show right there. 2020 Road Glide Special Custom Performance Bagger Silverback. So we just got her back a couple weeks ago, and she's ready for Daytona and all the rallies coming up 2022. And like I said, if you're new to this channel, we do ride videos, upgrade videos, build videos, giveaway bike series videos, pretty much 95% Harley Davidson stuff. If you think you guys are gonna get some value out of this channel, if you would, please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. I really do appreciate it. That's what we're doing today. We're gonna announce the winner of the Road King Vicla bike giveaway. I cannot wait. So guys, sit back, relax. Let's find out who the winner is. I'm gonna take the Road King out, put it on the charger for a little bit because it's been in the shed. We're gonna start the puppy up and we're gonna let you guys see the Road King for the last time because someone is gonna be picking that bad boy up. Stay tuned. She's looking really good, isn't she, guys? Oh man, sounding pretty mean. I haven't started Silverback up probably in about a week or week and a half. So let her run a little bit, get heated up, charge the battery up a little bit. It's been on a trickle charger anyway. Let her run for a little bit. Let me show you guys how it looks before I take out the Road King. Now this bike is next. What an amazing bike. Stage 2 475 cam. I don't know if you guys heard me, but that bike's a beast. That's the next bike that's going May 15th. Sport Glide giveaway bike. It's got a 475 cam in it, Vance & Hines Pro Pipe. The thing rips, it's a beast. Guess who showed up here, unannounced? Mr. Holy Shift in the building. I'm gonna let the Sport Glide warm up a little bit and charge the battery also. Hasn't been running in a couple weeks. The Road King is charging right now, the battery. As soon as that gets a little bit charged up, we're gonna start the Road King, show you guys the bike again, and then announce the winner. I cannot wait. All right, so garage is heating up. I got Sandy's bike in the garage. We're gonna be working on some lighting components, like I said, but we're gonna go inside right now, make ourselves a cup of Joe. We're gonna make a cup of Joe. I'm gonna charge Sandy $10.
And he's serious. It wasn't a joke. That was not a joke.
It's definitely a joke. I'm not going to charge him. I'll charge him tomorrow. What do you want, milk or do you want soy milk?
Almond milk, you know me.
I don't have almond milk. I'll give you a little.
This guy doesn't have almond milk.
Almond milk.
Just milk.
Men don't drink almond milk. All right, get your coffee and scram.
Salud.
Cheers, big ears. All right, guys, got the Road King started. All she needed was a little charge. Bike is sounding and looking amazing. All right, guys, I'm gonna let the bike run for a while. Engine hasn't been running for a couple weeks. Let the battery charge up, let it go through a heat cycle, and we're gonna go inside right now and get the winner for this beautiful bike. All right, guys, so I'm in my office. Sandy had to split. He was gonna do the install on his bike, but he had to split. We're gonna be figuring out who this winner is now. I'm going to put all of the entries into the number generator. We have 1,051 entries, quite a bit, but obviously the chances are still super good to win the bike. So we have from 1 to 1,051. So I am going to put the entries now into the number generator. Okay, so we have number 455. 455, that is the number. So let's go through the spreadsheet and see who the lucky winner is. I cannot wait finally to figure out who this winner is and where they live. Okay, so the winner of the Road King Vicla bike giveaway is Vanessa Ramaglia from Maryland. So not too far away, but definitely several hours. That is the winner, Vanessa Ramaglia. Let's give her a call. I'm so happy a female won. That's fantastic. I'm happy that I have some female viewers watching the channel. Super excited. Let's give her a call and see if she can't pick up the phone. Hopefully she picks up the phone on the first try. Tell her that she just won a Road King. This is exciting. Oh my God. We'll put her on speaker.
Hello?
Hi, is Vanessa there?
Yes, speaking.
I'd like to talk to you about your car extended warranty program.
Oh, God.
No, I'm only kidding. I'm only kidding. This is John from Cycle Fanatix.
Ah, no shit. I was about to hang up on you.
Are you serious?
Of course. And say some four-letter words.
Oh my goodness. Thank God you didn't because you won the bike.
No shit. John, let me tell you. This is for my husband, okay?
Are you serious?
He has been going through such a time, and he watches you, and it keeps him going, okay? So I'm telling you, this is like, you just warm my heart, okay? I'm so excited. He won the bike, okay? Daddy won the bike. Daddy won the bike, okay? Okay, John.
You okay? You okay over there?
I'm gonna have to sit down.
All right, have a seat, relax, have a seat.
Okay.
Yeah, just wanted to tell you that you're the winner of the Road King.
I have no words, John.
Oh wow, that's great.
I have no
What's your husband's name?
John.
John. Okay, what's he going through?
Oh, he's had a really tough time with his back. He's had several surgeries on his back.
Oh wow.
And he's just been in it, right? So, you get depressed when you don't feel you're 100%.
Yeah,
right?
I totally get it. Absolutely. I'm so excited to that you're the winner and that that you guys are happy and it's wow that I appreciate you guys watching and your husband watching.
Oh my God, we love you. We
Oh.
love you, both of us. I know your whole story, and no, you're great. We're very proud of you.
Oh, thank you so much. Is your husband
I
there?
know what you do.
Is your husband there?
He's a truck driver. You know what's funny?
Oh my goodness.
So we're in Maryland, but he was up in Hackensack today. So I see the number come up Hackensack. I'm like, oh shit, is this him?
Oh, okay.
So that's the only reason I answered.
Got you. Okay. All right.
But I'm originally from Jersey.
When do you expect them home?
2 hours maybe.
Oh, 2 hours? Do you want me to call or no?
Yes.
Okay. So how about
Yes,
this?
I do.
How about this? I'll hang up now and give you guys a call back, say in like 3 hours.
Okay.
And maybe you should have your husband answer. Don't tell him anything.
Okay.
Does that sound good?
I don't know if I could hold it.
Oh my God, that's great.
But I will. Yes. Let's go with that.
This way he'll be surprised. I mean, if you want to do it.
I mean, yeah. I just hold our little one, so I hope we don't have a poker face, but
Oh, gotcha.
yes. You call back. I want to call him right now and just flip out and tell him because I keep telling him, I'm like, look, if you picture it in the garage,
Gotcha.
it will come. It will be here. So,
Okay. All right.
but yeah.
Well, I'll call back. Okay, if you want to tell him, go ahead. Just tell him.
I want to tell him, John.
No problem.
Can I tell him?
No,
Okay.
yeah, no
This is
problem.
just gonna brighten his day.
I'll call back, and this way, so this way I could obviously congratulate you guys again, and we'll take it from there, okay?
Oh my God. Thank you so much.
All right, you're very welcome. Okay, bye-bye.
All right, take care.
Bye-bye.
All right, bye-bye.
Oh my God, so she was obviously so happy, and I'm happy that they watched the channel and love the channel. Thank you so much, Vanessa and John. From Maryland, you are the winners of the Road King Vicla bike giveaway. And that's what it's all about. You want to be able to make a phone call and people are like super happy, super ecstatic that they just want a bike, for pretty much a small entry fee to win a Road King like that, super clean Road King. That's what it's all about. So congratulations again. I'm going to give her a call later on when her husband's home and we'll talk to him for a bit and then we'll wrap this video up. That was awesome. All right guys, so it's about 3 hours later. John's home because I just texted his wife. Let's give him a call. I'm sure he already knows, but I want to see his thoughts, his reactions. Johnny.
Hey, what's up, Johnny?
How are you?
Good. How you doing?
I'm good. Congratulations, buddy.
Oh man, thank you. My wife can't keep a secret.
No, that's all right. She was so happy.
She did it. She did it for me. That was part of my Christmas present right there. I so much appreciate this.
Oh my God. Well, thank your wife, not me.
I've been following you and your buddies, Holy Shift, everybody.
Oh, that's great. I appreciate it. Yeah, that's awesome. So, what are you riding now? Anything?
I actually have a Harley 21 freewheeler trike.
Oh, nice. Okay.
Yeah, because that's the way my wife will ride on the back with me.
Right. Okay.
You know what? She wants to learn to ride the trike and get her license. So.
Oh, that's fit.
This is gonna-
That's awesome. That's awesome. Well, listen, I'm so psyched for you guys. I'm really happy, and it just seems like even your wife and I guess your kids in the background. Everybody was happy.
They were so pumped. I'm speechless still, really, honestly.
Oh wow. Yeah, well, hey.
Channel and everything. Keep doing what you're doing, man.
Hey, I appreciate you, man. I appreciate you. I appreciate your wife. Thank you for watching and stuff. And yeah, hit me up, I guess, during the week. That sounds great. All right, John. Thank you so much.
All right, thank you, John. Have
Okay.
a good one, man.
You too. Bye bye.
All right,
Bye bye.
thanks. Bye.
All right, guys. So there you go. There's John, the winner of the Road King Vicla bike giveaway. Wow, it has been an amazing day for me, honestly. I was so excited all day. I was pumped to finally get a winner for the bike. Gonna be happy that it's gone because I need the room. But I'm just so happy. The family just seems so happy and grateful and humble. I don't think it could have gone to a better home. We got the Sport Glide giveaway. Do me a favor, stay tuned, because with the Sport Glide giveaway, I have another awesome giveaway coming up probably in the next week or two that I'm going to let you guys know about, and that's going to be up and running on the website shortly. So thanks for watching, guys. If you're new to this channel, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. Really would appreciate it. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.